And there's no rain in the forecast for the next few days. Today will officially be in that heat wave with temperatures into the low 30s, lasting for the next 5 days. I know, but I'm just saying. Just saying. Okay, putting it out there. But yes, now officially in a heat wave. So the question is, what do we need to be in a heat wave? Well, we needed these threshold temperatures to be met for a certain number of days. And these are the temperatures. 28 in the south, 25 in the north. We need them for 3 days in a row. And we had that on Wednesday and Thursday. Today, Friday, 33 degrees. How common is it to see these temperatures? But it's not unusual to see them as we head through this time of year, but it's becoming increasingly likely because of climate change. So seeing 5 days of 30 degrees in a row is happening much more often. And we said, and here is the why. High pressure blocking, and it's just the air that goes round and round and round all weekend long, keeping us dry, sunny and very hot. And it's welcome news for some places, perhaps not for others. And today is the day. Just so you know. I love that everybody listens and hears. So we need 3 consecutive days of this. And we've had that. So we need 25 in the north, 28 in the south for 3 days in a row. And today we will break that threshold. And we're set to see temperatures climbing as we head into the weekend because a big ridge of high pressure sits across the UK. This hot weather stays with us all week long into the weekend. Next week it turns more unsettled with thunderstorms arriving. So if this heat and humidity isn't too much for you, it breaks down into the middle of next week. But for today, lots of dry, sunny weather. Much like yesterday, more sunshine around. Today, the satellite shows more sunshine across Scotland and Northern Ireland than we woke up to yesterday morning. Still patchy cloud for the Western Isles with the odd spot of rain here, but for most, it is dry, it is sunny, and it is set to be very hot today with temperatures way over 10 degrees above what they should be for the time of year. We're up to 26 to 27 in the north, 32 degrees in the south, and if you're out in the sunshine, UV levels are high, widely very high, so don't forget that sun cream. So let's see how things pan out as we head through the next 7 days, I think, but more importantly, the weekend for those who have some outdoor plans. And across the north of the UK, first of all, Scotland, Northern Ireland, the northern areas of England. And it's worth pointing out, while this is our 3rd heat wave that we've seen so far this month, the north haven't actually had that heat. So this one is more widespread, the whole of the UK experiencing heat wave conditions through the next few days. And yes, it turns more unsettled with thunderstorms by the start of the week, and that is when it then turns cooler. So percentage chance of rainfall is low for the next few days, but high as those thunderstorms arrive at the start of next week. Fortunes further south for England and Wales for the next 7 days. Again, looking at our temperatures compared to where they should be, and they are peaking way above average. So yes, it's dry for the rest of the week and the weekend, but watch out for those thunderstorms at the start of next week when it turns cooler. For the weather